Kung magkagulo, gera na nga dito. Malapit na sa atin. Anong gagawin natin? Okay lang, normal lang yan. Pababayaan na lang natin. Kung sino pasok labas dito sa atin. Hindi naman pwede yun. So we'll have to do something. So inevitably, despite our fervent wish to avoid any confrontation with anybody anywhere, war over Taiwan will drag the Philippines kicking and screaming into the conflict. What special instructions I have? We don't have any special instructions. Sanay na tayo rito. You know, it is not a one thing na there's no silver bullet na pag pinaputok mo, solve lahat ang problema mo. What will happen here is we will continue to be present. We will continue to defend our territory. We will continue to exercise our sovereign rights.